In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify variable expressions without parentheses. Before we begin, let's review some key vocabulary, and we'll use the expression 3x plus negative 2 plus negative 4x plus 5 as our example. Terms are the parts of an algebraic expression. In our example, 3x is a term, as well as negative 2, negative 4x, and 5. Like terms are terms that have identical variable parts raised to the same exponents. In our example, 3x and negative 4x have identical variable parts, the x, and they are both raised to the power of 1. Coefficient is the number in a term that is the product of a number and a variable. In our example, the 3 in the term 3x is the coefficient, and the negative 4 in the term negative 4x is the coefficient. And finally, a constant is a term that has a number but no variable. In our example, negative 2 is a constant, as well as 5. Negative 2 and 5 are also considered like terms. The steps for simplifying expressions without parentheses are to first, rewrite the expression as a sum. Second, add terms with identical variable parts. And third, add the constants. Let's look at a few examples. In our first example, we'll rewrite the expression as a sum. That would be 6x plus a negative 5 plus a negative 4x plus 8. Step number 2 is to add terms with identical variable parts. The terms in my expression that have identical variable parts are the 6x and the negative 4x. 6x plus negative 4x is 2x. And step 3 is to add the constants. In my example, the constants are negative 5 and 8. Negative 5 plus 8 is 3. My simplified expression is 2x plus 3. In our next example, we're going to do step 1, which is rewrite the expression as a sum. So I'm going to rewrite it as 16 plus negative 8k plus negative 9k plus negative 5. I'm going to add terms with identical variable parts for step 2. The terms that have identical variable parts are the negative 8k and the negative 9k. Negative 8k plus negative 9k is negative 17k. Step 3 is to add the constants. In this example, the constants are 16 and negative 5. 16 plus negative 5 is 11. My simplified expression then is negative 17k plus 11. In my next expression, I'm going to first rewrite the expression as a sum. So I have 12 plus 3y plus 7y plus negative 13y. Step 2 says add terms with identical variable parts. In this example, the terms with identical variable parts are 3y, 7y, and negative 13y. 3y plus 7y is 10y, and 10y plus negative 13y is negative 3y. Step 3 is to add the constants. Well, in this example, I only have one constant, which is 12. So I'm just going to add that to my expression, my simplified expression. Because I've taken care of the constants, I now have my expression simplified to negative 3y plus 12. In this example, before I even start, I want to draw your attention to the variable x here that has no coefficient. Whenever there is a variable without a coefficient, we know that there is a coefficient of 1. It's just not written. Now I'm ready to proceed with my simplifying this expression. Step 1 says to rewrite the expression as a sum. So this becomes 9x plus negative 2y plus 1x plus 6y plus negative 7. Step 2 says add terms with identical variable parts. Well, in this example, I have variables that are x and variables that are y. So I'm going to start by adding the terms that have x as the variable. My terms with x as a variable are 9x and 1x. 9x plus 1x is 10x. Next, I have to add the terms that have y as the variable part. So I'm going to add negative 2y and 6y together. Negative 2y plus 6y is 4y. Third step is to add the constants. Well, I only have one constant, and that's negative 7. So I'm just going to bring that down and add it to the end of my simplified expression. So my simplified expression is 10x plus 4y plus negative 7. So let's review these steps for simplifying expressions without parentheses. First, we rewrite the expression as a sum. Second, we add terms with identical variable parts. And third, we add the constants. In our next video, we're going to go over the steps for simplifying expressions with parentheses.